Thank you to Honeycomb for sending us these pool loungers. I just want to show you what they look like up close. So they sent us a pack of 2 so you could see what they look like in person. They fit our loungers by the pool perfect, and I love the coloring that they have. They really do add a pop of color to the pool, and they do have ties here. I'm just going to show you up close what they look like. So this is the beautiful color of it, and what I like about it is we have a lot of wind in our area, and you can tie these into a bow or not on the top. I have ours down a little bit further, but it will go all the way up top. They are water resistant and weather resistant, which is really nice, so that when they're out in the sun, they'll stay this bright, beautiful color. And you can see it is very comfortable, and it just kind of adds something to your pool area. I really love how they look sitting side by side. So these are the pool loungers that Honeycomb sent us, and I just want to show you with how much the wind is blowing here. We get a lot of wind in our area, and they do have the nice ties on them that are keeping them exactly where they need to be, which is a big factor for us. So if you live in an area that has a lot of wind, you can be assured that they will stay on your chairs, which is a big bonus if you're in a windy area.